Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to retrofit a 2009 to 2018 Highlife and Limelight spa with the 78159 logo light. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: Phillips head screwdriver, router or Dremel tool, square, Sharpie, and 11mm driver. Parts you will need: 78159 logo light. Attention! To retrofit your spa with the 78159 logo light, you must upgrade the software and control panel to the WR 4.05 or 79466-BYP remote control, or the 1.14D 77433 control panel, or the 2.04D 78191 control panel. If you don't, the logo light will just show a white light. If your spa is older than 2013, you must upgrade the IQ 2020 control box to the 76836 Eagle control box. If your control panel looks like either one of these, you must upgrade the control panel to the 77433 control panel. The 78159 logo light will not function with either one of these control panels. If your spa was built before 2019 and it has a wireless remote, you must upgrade the wireless remote to the 79466-BYP wireless remote version 4.XX like the one in this photo. Step 1. Use the right hole as an anchor point. Enlarge the hole so that the logo light mount fits easily in the hole. Step 2. Mark the hole for the cord with a Sharpie. Step 3. Using a square, line up the holes and drill out the hole for the cord with a small bit. Step 4. Drill out the hole for the cord with a large bit and check the fitment. Step 5. Mark the third hole with a Sharpie. Step 6. Using a square, line up the holes and drill out the third hole with a small bit. Step 7. Drill out the third hole with a larger bit. Step 8. Check the fitment of the logo light. Step 9. Install the two nuts with a 11mm driver. Step 10. Mark the left edge of the logo light with a Sharpie. Step 11. Remove the logo light. Step 12. Route out the marked area approximately 3/16 of an inch deep. Step 13. Check the fitment and install the logo light. Step 14. Connect the logo light to the cord. Step 15. Plug the logo light into the J7 spa light port on the motherboard. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.